Zimbabwe's acting president, Kembo Mohadi, has publicly congratulated President-elect Yoweri Kaguta Museveni following Uganda's recent elections, despite the poll being widely criticized and marred by controversy. Sanabena Mashkobdani watching Zimbabwe endorses Yoweri Museveni's controversial victory. Don't pay penalty for subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipiram now. In a statement released on Tuesday, Mohadi said, "On behalf of the government, the people of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and on my own behalf, I wish to extend my sincere congratulations and best wishes to you, dear brother, on your electoral victory." The acting president added that Museveni's re-election was evidence of the trust Ugandans have placed in his tested leadership. Your election is a testament of the trust the people of Uganda have in your tested leadership, Mohadi said. As Zimbabweans join in celebrating the controversial victory, Mohadi reaffirmed Harare's commitment to strengthening ties between the two countries. As we join you in celebrating this emphatic verdict from the people of the Republic of Uganda, I wish to reaffirm my country's commitment to deepen and broaden our two brotherly countries' long-shared victory of friendship and collaboration, he said. Mohadi said Zimbabwe looks forward to working closely with Museveni to enhance and reinforce these mutually beneficial relations in the years ahead at both bilateral and multilateral fora on issues of common interest. He concluded the message by offering Museveni his highest esteem and best wishes for continued peace and prosperity for Uganda and its people. Please accept, Your Excellency, dear brother, the assurances of my highest esteem and best wishes for your good health, peace, and prosperity for the great people of the Republic of Uganda, Mohadi said. Toma developments anobuda achibva kuZimbabwe vachicongratulata Iwo Museveni. Pinda comment section medu tsafunga emo tudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like up on channel, turn on the bell icon.